In the room that we use for weights, running and the bike in the background there, using the tack system. Here in Chamonix it's quite cold in the winter, obviously lots of snow and ice, so lots of training indoors during the cold winter nights. There's the bike we're going to be putting it on. Currently got the PR 1600s, and it's been a really great budget wheel, I have to say, and the hubs have been great on those, so we're hoping for really good things out of the PR 14, the Arc, sorry, I get that right, Arc 1400 48s that we brought here. Taking them out of the packaging, first impressions very positive. Beautiful looking set of wheels. These ones that you can see here carefully, if I zoom in there, I've got the grip for the rim brakes. The rim brakes have already taken out and they're over here. They're supplied with all the bits and pieces, so that's ready to go on in a minute. So our next job now is to take off the rear mechanism, and we're going to be putting it on the back of this wheel, the new wheel. A couple of things you're going to need to remove the hub cassette, Shimano hub cassette bolt removal tool, and also the chain whip. The chain whip just keeps it in place in terms of stops it freewheeling as you try to unlock the Shimano bolt. So you need the chain whip in place to hold it in place just when you're taking it off the cassette. You won't need that when you're putting it back on, because obviously the mechanism will lock itself. So here we are, we're just going to line this up. They are slightly, inside the hub, there is one slightly different size to the other, and I just need to work out which way that down goes. So that goes on there. It really is this simple. We just need to pop these over the top. And now once it's on, all you need to do here is in this case we've already tightened it up, but we're just going to check in there, just a nice hand to hand tight, make sure he's secure on there. That's perfect there. That's the job done. What we now need to do is fit the tyre. So what we're going to be fitting today is the GP 5000s. There we are. I'm going to quickly unbox these. We'll need a knife to take the main clip off, but we're just going to try and pop these out if we can. Yeah, there we are. So here they are. We've got the sports. Haven't usually used the 4000s, but we're going to be now using the 5000s. Tubeless, first time we're going to be using tubeless, so we're just going to put the valve on, then we're going to fit this towel on top of that. GP5000. You will get a little bit of sort of cranking noise and popping noise. Don't be alarmed by that, that's quite natural. It's just the actual bead system filling out the edge of the rims. So it's not the carbon or anything that's cranking. So all we're left to do now is take a look at the after with the DRC ARC 1400s die-cut rim brake fitted on the Canyon. I think it's really pleased with that look. Let me know what you think before the after, which is your favourite. And all that's left to do now is to do the obligatory sound check. So we're just going to turn the rails around, get them spinning a bit, and have a listen into that.